If you're uploading a video to YouTube from a mobile device, start by opening the YouTube app. Tap your profile picture in the top right corner of the app screen, then select Your Channel from the top of the drop-down menu. Next, tap the video camera icon. This will allow you to select a video from your gallery or record a new video using the camera on your phone or tablet. Once you select the video you want, you'll be given the option to make edits, such as trimming the video or adding music or filters. When you're done, tap Next. Add a title and description for your video and adjust the privacy settings. You can make your video public, unlisted, or totally private. If you want, tap the Location button to add a geographical location to your video. Finally, hit the Upload button in the upper right corner of the screen to upload your video to YouTube. If you're using YouTube on a computer, the process is a little different. Go to youtube.com in a web browser, then log in. Click the camera icon at the top right side of the screen, next to your profile image. Then select Upload Video. Drag and drop a video from your desktop into the upload window. You can also click the Select File button to open a Finder or File Explorer window, then close the video you want to upload and click Open. Next, you'll be prompted to fill in details about your video, such as the title, a description, and whether or not your video is intended for kids. You can also choose a thumbnail or add your video to a playlist. Once you're finished with the details, click Next to add any video elements you'd like, such as an end screen or cards promoting related content. Then, hit Next again. Finally, you'll be taken to a screen where you can set the privacy of your video and choose whether to schedule a future publication date or publish it right away. When you're done, click Save to finish uploading your video.